Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. So happy you're here because we're going to be digging into my latest Stitch Fix collection. All right, Stitch Fix has been doing such an amazing job lately, and I love it now that they have the preview, so that really helps as well. So we're going to dig right in. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have Sleepy Sidekicks here with me. Wyatt is the white puppy dog. Xena is the tan. You guys will get to see them during this video. And we sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So I came outside because so many of you told me you don't mind the noises, so thank you, because I prefer it out here. And today is one of those days that makes me remember that summer isn't going to last forever. It is a bit breezy. It's only 61. The sun is not shining, but it's not raining. It's not snowing, so we're going to take advantage of it. Okay, I think everybody knows about Stitch Fix at this point. It's a styling subscription. You can also, I think, get boxes ad hoc if you choose not to get one on a certain schedule. 5 pieces, keep all, get 25% off. They send you a preview once you've sent notes to your stylist, told them what you're looking for, and they usually pick about 12 pieces, and then you pick the ones that you like and then leave a message for anything that needs to fill the hole. So if you pick 4 items, then you'd leave a note about what you'd like the 5th one to be. If you pick 1 item, what you're looking for, etc. I have a lot of luck doing that. It's been really great. So I did pick some items this time from my preview. So here is my bundle, or at least what my box looks like. You do get a little pamphlet or note from your stylist on the prices as well as how to wear them. And let's see, you can also shop freestyle and pick items yourself and have them shipped. I think you have 30 days to try them on and decide if you want to keep them or return them. So if you can't wait and you need it right away, that's a good way to do it. All right, things are falling out of my bundle here. As I get those out, you also get a bag to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. They offer fixes for men and children as well. So if you enjoy the service, you might want to share it with the rest of your family. Let's get into this. So first up is cut from the Kloth. This is the Meg High Rise Wide Leg in this really great color. It's like nutmeg. I wonder what color they call it. Let's see. They just call it khaki. These have some nice stretch. They're the wider leg. They have that extra little seaming here. See all that seaming detail down the front? You see that? Those are really nice. I might have picked those from the preview. I think I picked these too. I love Pistola. This is the Pistola Kennedy mixed mid-rise cut off short in white. I have these in denim, so I like them so much. I thought, okay, send me the white ones. Let me try them. I have another. This is a Z Supply item. This is the Untimely. Oh, this is Free People. I'm sorry. Intimately by Free People, U-neck tank. Sorry. Free People. That's cute. I love the green. You guys know I've been really liking green lately, so having a tank in that color is great. Then a blazer from Skies Are Blue. I typically don't enjoy Skies Are Blue that much. However, I did pick this from the preview. This is the faux leather boyfriend blazer. In fact, many times I say don't send me it, but I probably could miss out if I did that constantly because I thought this was adorable. In this yummy brown, vegan leather. It does not have a snap in the front, so it does not close, but it is fully lined. Doesn't have a vent in the back, and it has the flappy pockets. A lot of times I tuck those in for a cleaner look. It gives it 2 different styles, I think. And last but not least is the Z Supply All Day Knit Denim Jacket. I love their All Day Knit Denim Jackets. I think these are fabulous. This one is in that blue color. It's so adorable, so stretchy. This one is so great for traveling. I love things like that to wear on the plane. It doesn't wrinkle. It's always comfy and soft. And that's all my pieces. What do you think? Well, let's get to the try on and see how they work. So I have the first outfit on, which is so me. We'll get into it in just a second. I first want to call out that Stitch Fix changed up their pricing sheets. So while I still have my items listed and I have the pricing sheet, my notes from my styles are all now on the same piece of paper. And to get your style cards, you use the QR code. So they made it nice and simple with everything being in one place instead of two different pieces of paper that you used to get in your envelope. And the envelope, I noticed, is gone as well. So now I just have this paper and the bag to return everything. All right, so let's talk about this outfit. And super excited. First of all, these Pistola shorts are exactly like my regular denim fit. Sometimes they are different. In this case, exactly the same fit. And I will explain why I love them. Is that I have room. They're nice and relaxed. This is my normal size 26. I have room at the widest part of my legs, which I love. A little bit of distressing, but nothing major. And the fit is on point. And then pair back to the tank from Free People. Nice little scoop neck. I happen to have black on underneath this. I have a black bralette on. I think while you can see it a little bit, it's not so, I would have expected it to be a lot more. Like I would typically wear nude under here. So I feel it's a little bit more opaque than I was expecting. So fit is very nice. It's perfect little U-neck. Just a nice easy wear tank. Here's the back. And then, of course, you need, like a day like today, where it's a little bit cooler, but you're not ready to give up those shorts yet. Add on this knit jacket, and you are set. Comes up on the side. It's so, so yummy good. Feels amazing on. Big pockets in the front. Just so, so great. Little collar. And then, of course, these are buttons. So you could also button it up and wear it as a shirt if you wanted. Sometimes on the plane, with these types of things, I do button up because I'm freezing with all the air blowing. So I think this would be a really great option. Lots of room. I'm wearing the extra small in this, and I have lots and lots of room in it. Okay, so for the Pistola Kennedy Relaxed Mid-Rise Cutoff in white, I'm wearing a size 2, as I mentioned, or 26 waist, 128. And then for the Z Supply All Day Knit Jacket in indigo, I'm wearing an extra small, 129. And the Intimately by Free People U-neck tank in olive, I'm wearing an extra small, and it's only 20 bucks, $20. We're off to a good start. Let's keep going. So when you think about a seasonal shift, these pieces are on point. I kept on the tank since it's a neutral. I think it still goes well with this outfit. And then put on the Cut from the Cloth pants. How amazing are these? Lots of give and stretch, wider leg. They're hitting me right above my foot here. As you can see, at the ankle bone. So I can wear flats with them very easily, which I appreciate and like. They have this additional seaming going down the front as well as here at the knee, right above the knee. The color on point. Here's the back. They fit really, really well and feel very relaxed. And then I paired it with this Skyzer Blue blazer in this vegan leather brown. I am absolutely loving this. Has the flappy pockets, but if you wanted a more streamlined dressy look, all I do is tuck that in to see the difference. I feel like that dresses it up a little bit. This keeps a little bit more weekend. This is work. Such an easy little shift. This fits amazing. It's not even too long in my arms, which I love. It feels yummy. So this feels like a really quality garment. And then you can see it's fully lined. So I'm in love with this. I think this is a great look. Pair it with a white tee, with a pattern tee, tank, cami. You could dress this up and do so many things with it. It would also pair nicely just back to denim. In love. And then if you wanted a different look, you could also so easily just take this back to the blue. Zena's manning all the clothes. So this would be another great casual look. So it goes nicely. This tan and the blue go really well together. What do you think, Z? I'm in love with this jacket. I think this one is just really a great pick. I'm glad she chose this for me. All right, so let's talk about those items. So the Skyzer Blue Faux Leather Boyfriend Blazer, $88. I think that price is good. I really like it. And then for the Cut from the Cloth Meg High Rise Wide Leg, I'm wearing a size 2, 104. So my total for everything, so if I kept all 5 pieces, would be $469, but I would get $117.25 off with a 25% discount, bringing the total down to $351.75, which I think is totally worth it. I'll be honest, I love it all. The only thing I would have sent back would be this jacket, because I own like 2 years ago version, I think, or last year's version. But I can always gift this one, and it would cover the cost of basically what I'd be getting for free. So I'd rather do that, since this would be a really nice gift to somebody. So $351.75. I will tell you, my stylist has been doing an amazing job. Her name is Janina. I love her. I have had so many 5 for 5s just in the last few months since I've gotten her than I've had probably the entire time I've been doing Stitch Fix. Usually I pick an item or two, maybe 3, but I typically didn't get 4 or 5 items that I truly loved. There was always that item you're just keeping just because, which in this case it sort of is. But this is a great item, and if I didn't already own a version of it, I would have kept it anyway. So awesome job to my stylist. I will put all my information down below in case you'd like to give this service a try. I highly recommend it. It's very flexible. I will list all the items that I received in my fix in case you'd like to request any of them from your stylist or shop them on their freestyle. So you can do that as well. Can't wait to hear what your favorites were. So please do comment down below. What do you think I should keep from this box? Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I will catch you next video. Bye, everybody.